Oh, you got me. We are going to the Galata Tower in Istanbul today. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm in Istanbul today. The symbol of Istanbul is, of course, the Galata Tower. And you can have a really nice shot all the way to the Galata Tower from here. Just follow this way all the way to the Galata. Amaze your friends with your awesome Instagram pictures. Let's go. Hey guys, most of you know that Galata Tower is the symbol of Istanbul. First visit tourist attraction in Istanbul. So I will show you the Galata Tower in details today. I haven't been up to the Galata Tower yet. Maybe today, I'm not sure. But I can, unless I can get you really close to the Galata Tower. Let's go. It's end of the summer right now. We are in November, but the weather is really nice. By the way, you can come around Galata. There are many coffee shops around. You can have really nice coffee with the view of Galata Tower. Let's go. I know it's so stupid. This way should be a pedestrian way, but it's not. So you have to watch the cars. To accommodate in Istanbul, for sure, you can find many Airbnb houses, hostels, or like some rental houses here. It's a really nice spot to stay, actually. And Taksim also is really close to Galata Tower. Well, if you come here via car, there is a parking lot here. You can park your car. Galata Tower area is my favorite place. I always come here in the middle of the night, most probably, because in the night there are not many people. It's so cool. You have your coffee. It's amazing. But of course, in the daytime it's really crowded, as you can see. And it is Saturday today. Well, I like this cafe actually. You can have really nice cookies and Turkish pastries in this cafe, with some tea and coffee, and with the view of Galata Tower, of course. And there is a coffee factory. You can also have your coffee here with the view of Galata. Well, this cafe behind me is one of the most popular cafe in Galata. They're really famous with their San Sebastian cake, and again, you can have your San Sebastian cake with the Turkish coffee or some other coffee products with a view of Galata. This place called Viyana Kahvesi. Let's go. Normally, people are queuing here to stay here and have some coffee. Okay, this spot actually is like a photo shoot area. Everybody is taking photos here. Well, as you can see, people love taking photos here. This is the photo spot. Again, guys, just be careful with the cars. You can die here. Well, you can see many dogs and cats in the streets of Istanbul. I have to watch my back. By the way, if you come here, just in case, if you come here by bike, don't park it over there in front of Galata, because they fine you. Well, if you need some cash, there are ATMs, many ATMs around you can find. And actually, this is my favorite coffee shop, right opposite to Galata. This is quite famous coffee shop actually, and they have really nice coffees. You can have your coffee with the view of Galata here. One reason that I have never been to Galata, I hate waiting in this line. It's a really huge line. You have to wait maybe 45 minutes, 1 hour to get to the Galata Tower, to the top. And this tram, let's talk about this tram. This tram is a nostalgic tramway, and Actually, you can see this tram working in Kadıköy in the Asian side and also in the Istiklal Street when you walk up to Galata. And let's see this queue. You can see the queue. Too many people are waiting to go up to the Galata Tower. Wow. I have no idea how long you are going to wait here. But do you think it's worth it? Of course, it is. And of course, like stupid people are writing here their names with their loved ones. It's because they're stupid. And if you see this guy is always playing violins in Galata. That's the entrance. It's too crowded. Let's go back. In the history, in 1453, Fatih Sultan Mehmet conquered Istanbul from the Byzantines. And the Genoese gave the key of the Galata Tower to Fatih Sultan Mehmet in 1453 in Friday. Until then, it's the Turkish territory. Do you know what? I'm in love with Galata Tower. Okay, when you're done with Galata, what you can do, I will show you. Excuse me. On the other side of Galata Tower, there are also a lot of restaurants and cafes you can find. But I prefer the previous cafes, they are nice. I will show you another photo shoot place. This is also a famous restaurant. And yes, this is the second photo shoot place. You can have a really nice angle from here. After you took your photo, what you can do after Galata? You can follow this road. If you follow this road right up there, you will reach to the Istiklal Street, right at the end of Istiklal Street from this way. If you want to get some souvenirs from here, on this way to the down and up, you can find many souvenir shops and you can buy it from here. Let's see some examples of souvenirs. Okay. Ah, this is a cute shop. Well, and the souvenirs are really cheap here. It's like, for example, like for these you pay like only $1.7 for 3 of them, like 10 liras. It's nothing, guys. And in this shop you can find many nice lamps. And wow, surprisingly cheap. I wouldn't expect. It's 60 lira for one piece and 2 pieces is like 110 lira. It's almost $20. Less than $20 for this one example. It's really good. You know what, guys? One of these or these, just for one, it's only $10. Get one. If you want to get the Galata Tower to your hometown, you can get this one for $2. Less than $2. 10 lira. Well, guys, you can have some breakfast or dinner here or lunch, but if I were you, I wouldn't eat here. I never eat in the touristic areas though. It's not for me. And there is also an ice cream shop here with the tricks, you know. Probably you have seen many videos about the tricks they're selling the ice cream, and let's see how they look like. Yes.
Yes, please.
Dur abi. Bir dakika dur. You know what? Like this.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yes. Rush buyurun.
Eyvallah.
Eyvallah. Yes please. Ice cream.
Eyvallah. Teşekkürler. Eyvallah. Teşekkürler. Sağ ol. Teşekkürler. That's how you get ice cream in Turkey. And this one is the last stop to take awesome Galata pictures. This coffee shop, the Federal, they have really nice coffees as well here. It's Australian coffee roasters. Well, they have comfortable seats here. If you are on a budget travel, you can have a chai for 1.5 lira. It's right here. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment below what would you like to see in Istanbul. Bye bye.